Hey there! In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off the chirping sound the AirPods 4 or AirPods Pro make when connected to your iPad. So we'll start by connecting the AirPods to the iPad as you would do normally. Once connected, go to Settings. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see your AirPods. If you select this, we get to the AirPod menu. You can also get to it by going to Bluetooth and selecting the I next to your AirPods. Within this menu, we want to scroll down and keep going until you see Enable Charging Case Sounds. Here we toggle off, and that will disable the sounds from coming from your case. So I hope that's helped, and if it has, I'd really appreciate you giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Check out my channel for further videos about AirPods, iPads, MacBooks and iPhones. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.